Hello, I'm going to share an example of steps of challenging stereotypes and biases in your classroom. Tackling this skill will make your classroom a safer, more comfortable, and fairer place for all your students. In this scenario, the class is about 30% girls and 70% boys. There are likely other relevant groups in the class. But for this example, we will just look at gender. Step 1 is to reflect on my classroom. I ask myself questions from the FTS guide and answer them. Do the class materials or lessons contain examples of stereotypes or biases about gender? When looking through our class stories, I see that most main characters are boys, showing a gender disparity. I also see some stereotypes. The girls in the stories are often shown helping their mothers with housework, and the fathers are the ones shown working. Have I seen examples of students using stereotypes with one another? Do students from different groups treat one another with respect? I have sometimes seen the boys asking the girls to do tasks for them, like cleaning the blackboard. I wonder if this shows a gender stereotype. Which students raise hands or are asked questions the most? Which students receive the most feedback, help, and praise? How are classroom duties divided among students? Are there any patterns in my classroom that indicate a bias for or against any groups? In my lesson, I took a tally or made a mental note of who I was calling on to answer questions. There are 6 students in the class who raise their hands and are called on the most. 5 boys and 1 girl. These are the same students who ask for help. So this means generally boys are getting more attention from me than the girls, even though I believe that boys and girls should get equal attention. Step 2 is to challenge biases and stereotypes. I will show you what each one looks like in my classroom.